Hello, my name is Tommy. What's the absolute value of a number is its distance from zero on a number line. For example, the absolute value of -3 is 3, since it's 3 spaces away from the number line. One example of absolute value is and then since it is like this, it has to be the absolute value of -5, and the absolute value of -5 is 5. So here's another example of absolute value. Cool. The absolute value of -5 is 5. And for the absolute value of -3, it's 3, but since there's a negative sign outside of the vertical lines, it will still be -3. Now you just add them. Done. We are done.
What about 69?
Square root of 324 is 18 because 18 times 18.
Jessica Sandiva to the main office. Jessica Sandiva to the main office.
Because 18 times 18 equals 324. So that's the square root.
Leslie.
So your Pythagorean theorem. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This is an example. First you square 4 plus 3 squared equals c squared. 4 times 4 equals 16, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Then you have to add 16 plus 9 equals 25. Then you find the square root of 25, and that equals 5. So C equals 5 squared. Now I'm going to show you another example.
So first you change the 45% into a decimal. And you do that by moving the decimal 2 times to the left. And that equals 0.45, then you multiply 30 and 0.45.
The other side. The flat side. Right?
And since there's 2 points behind the decimal, you move the decimal twice. It's gonna be 13.50, and then you add it to your original price 30.
Thomas just found out he has dusty neck syndrome or DNS. He needs to buy a vacuum cleaner immediately. The vacuum costs $25. There is a 25% markup. What will his sales price be?
Exponents.
Yeah. Those, if you multiply those two numbers, what you have to do is you multiply the two main numbers, but the exponent stays the same. So you multiply 3x times 5x to the power of 5. It'll be 15x to the power of 6, since x1 doesn't have no power. Since this problem is different, they have different numbers for the exponents. You have to multiply the main numbers still, so it'll be 24. It'll be 24 x5 and z3. Since those two aren't the same numbers, you won't add up the exponents.
The square root of 324 is 18 because 18 times 18.
Jessica Saldiva to the main office. Jessica Saldiva to the main office.
Because 18 times 18 equals 324. So that's the square root.
Leslie.
Get out.
My name is Eric.